Hi, in this video tutorial we will learn how to disable geolocation on Facebook on our smartphone. To do this, let's go to Facebook. After that, we need to click on the three stripes in the upper right corner. Then we go down below and click on the Settings and Privacy. Next, click on the Settings button. We go down below and click on the Location button. Here we see two items, on and off. We need to click on Go to Device Settings, Android Settings. Let's go to the Permissions. Here we disable the location item. Then we go back and see that geolocation is disabled and Facebook will not be able to track us. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.